Okay, so when we first started off the garden bed, it kind of looked like this. And we have like a hose soaker type of a thing that we kind of run through. We didn't make it very nice, honestly. It should have been in rows. We should have planted in rows, but we just kind of planted stuff anywhere just for fun. We put them on maybe like 5 minutes a day, but then I don't know, they started to do fine with just the sprinkler. We have a sprinkler head right over there, right there, and it's above ground, so it just kind of like waters it for us, which is kind of cool. So anyway, this is what it looked like, and what we realized is that, you know, we were doing those what is that? Those mini greenhouses, and we're like starting plants off from there, but then we realized they do grow pretty well just right in the ground. So in fact, we have this super chili plant, and here's all the chilies, right? But anyway, we have these super chili plants, and sometimes we get lazy and we don't pick all the fruit. So this is what happens. They make little babies over here. And you can actually see some of the seed on it still. But we have all these babies under here now. If you really wanted to, you could just, you know, plant them in pots and then make more. But it's so cool. They make all kind of babies by themselves. Another example is this tomato plant. So this tomato plant, which we had to prune recently because it was getting so tall, it made its own little baby down here. So I guess, you know, the birds were eating it, right? And so the seeds came out, and it just all by itself, it just makes its own little friend. There was actually a couple others which we planted. But yeah, for this tomato plant, we kind of like, what's that called? We pruned it because it was getting too big. And when you prune the top, it forces the nutrients to kind of like focus its energy on expanding the bottom part. So this was actually all bare, but so it's been maybe like 3 days, and now it's starting to produce different shoots now. So these will all stem out, branch out, and then create cute little tomatoes like that, which we were producing a lot of until we trimmed it. That's that. Yep.